With this massive fiery energy of the Leo full moon, Pachamama received 2 massive activations today in the sacred portal of Turkey. A 6.7 magnitude earthquake at 1:28 UTC, and the most powerful earthquake of 2023 in the same portal, 7.8 magnitude at 1:17 UTC, 17 kilometers depth, 37-degree latitude, 37-degree longitude, 37 into 73, heaven on earth, and double 17 code of the 8-8 portal of the Lion's Gate, the Lyra nation coming in. Many prayers and blessings to all of you. Have a beautiful and blessed full moon in Leo, the Lion King.